date, Chelsea has made over $200,000, and she just started selling this course in December of 2023, and it's currently May. So imagine what you can make in just a short amount of time if you put yourself in the same position to win. Hey YouTube, it's Venetia, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I want to tell you all about the success of Chelsea Guarriello. She is an e-commerce digital product expert that has made over $6 million within the past few years. I am incredibly intrigued by her story. She popped up on my Instagram page one day, and something just really made me stick with her and learn more about her journey. And something that really intrigued me was the fact that she took a negative situation in her life and turned it into a positive. She was going through a toxic relationship, toxic breakup with the father of her children, and she utilized that pain and struggle to catapult her journey to success with digital products.
Products are by far the easiest and most profitable product to sell on your store, since you keep 100% of the profits from each and every sale. That's why I've got my own digital product store, and I think that you need one too. Here's 3 steps on exactly how you can get started. Number 1, choose the right digital products. What are you passionate about? What are you an expert in? What do people go to you for? Once you know what you want to teach or what you want to share, you can start to create a digital product that aligns exactly with that. And that's what you'll serve to your audience. Number 2, create high quality digital products for your brand. Your digital products should be well written, they should be informative and visually appealing. You want them to be on brand. You can use Canva for journals and ebooks, and even Teachable for courses. Number 3, market your digital products. Once you've created your digital product, you need to market it so that your audience can be aware that you have something to offer them. You can sell through social media, email marketing, or you can do paid advertising, which if you know me, you know I love to do. I use all 3, but once you get the process down, you're gonna see how simple it is to be making money in your sleep.
Her community focuses around mothers, single mothers, and women that want to build a digital following, and women that want to build a brand and create digital products to get themselves out of their struggle. Something else that I really like about Chelsea is the fact that she started out in dropshipping and e-commerce just like I did. She was able to make thousands of dollars, even over $1 million selling her products, and she is already well established in the e-commerce field. So something that Chelsea has been doing lately is promoting this course, and it's called Simply Passive. And she said that she was able to make $10,000 in 1 week. And when she said that, I had to check it out. I had to go get the tea and see if this course was legit. And I was in for a treat. So some of the things that Simply Passive teaches, it teaches you how to utilize your Instagram page to make money using digital products. This course, first off, teaches you how to utilize and set up your stand store. Now, you might be wondering, what is stand store? Stand store is a link in bio similar to like a Beacons or a Linktree that allows people to shop directly from your bio. The difference between Stand Store and a lot of other platforms is the fact that it is highly integrated with Instagram, meaning you don't have to leave the platform just to use Stand Store, and they don't charge you a lot of fees like a platform such as Beacons would. You can also set up your emails and have people sign up to your email list right in the link in bio for your Stand Store. It is so user-friendly, and it's up to date, and it's modern. And I've been seeing a lot of people use this thing in their bio to be like standstore.com/ blah, blah, blah. Like mine says standstore.com/ Venetia, but I didn't know that it was a trend, and I didn't know why everybody was using it. Now I know they're all using Stand Store because it's on point. It's legit.
I want to go ahead and show you a sneak peek into my Stand Store. So let's just say you're on Instagram, whether you're on the app or on the desktop version, and you click the link in my bio, you'll be taken directly to my Stand Store. Now from the left, you have links to my website, TikTok, email, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And you have a brief description about me. And then you have the product that I'm selling this month. This is my digital product. and you have my lead magnet that I have created. Then you scroll down and you have a link to the physical product that I created, which is a book that I'm selling on Amazon. And then, of course, you have the ability to sign up and join my newsletter all in one place. If you're on the Instagram app and you click on the link for Stand Store, you don't even have to leave Instagram to shop. You don't even have to leave Instagram to download a freebie. It's just that simple. And Stand Store comes with a 14-day free trial. All you have to do is click the link for my Stand Store and you can go directly to sign up for your own 14-day free trial.
Next, Simply Passive teaches you all about faceless marketing. I know you've been on social media lately and you've seen people say, I made 6 figures this year using faceless marketing, and they have these beautiful pictures, these beautiful reels, and all of this aesthetically pleasing content. These people are learning how to do faceless marketing from courses such as Simply Passive. And it just makes so much sense. It makes a lot of sense to have a brand where people don't have to see your face, because you'll notice in these internet streets that sometimes people get jealous and sometimes people are shady and they straight up will not shop with you because of the fact that it's yours. While I was taking the Simply Passive course, I had a very big aha moment, because this course taught me who I wanted to target and how to talk to them. It was like it all made sense, and I finally had clarity in regards to who my target audience is, why I want to help them, and how I can help them, right? And another thing that Simply Passive taught me was about Canva. Now, I knew about Canva. I've been using Canva for years, and this course helped me go ahead and finish a project that I'd been working on, which was my Daily Dose 14-day Prophetic Declarations workbook. I used Canva and the knowledge that this course taught me to actually make sales from that product. Since taking Simply Passive, I've been able to get one of my reels on Instagram to hit 1.4 million views, and this generated hundreds of likes and dozens of comments on a video. And I don't think I would have been able to have this type of success online if I never tapped into a course like this. Since taking Simply Passive, I've gained more and more knowledge about the digital product space and how it can benefit any industry. And I promise, I mean any industry. It doesn't matter if you're a mechanic, if you're a hairstylist, if you're a school teacher, everybody has a product that they can sell. Everybody can benefit from selling a digital product or a digital course, and that additional stream of income can be life-changing, as well as knowing how to set up your store in an automated way. That way you're not having to become a slave to or an employee to your own business. That type of knowledge is just like mind-blowing.
Okay, so we got an inside look into Simply Passive. You want to start here, of course, and work your way down. You can utilize the quick start section to help you set up and start selling your own products in as little as 10 to 15 minutes. This course teaches you who and how to serve. It teaches you branding, choosing a business name, business foundations, finding your voice, brand colors, and your brand kit, choosing a logo, how to create and optimize your Instagram account and bio. It also teaches you how to set up your Stand Store, which is major key and highly instrumental to business on Instagram now. It teaches the why and how behind a lead magnet, reselling and creating your own products, signing up and getting started with Canva, a quick tour of Canva's features and navigation. This part about Canva really taught me a lot, but I don't want to get distracted. Let's keep going. How to find templates to create your digital products, font and text customization, Canva elements, Canva tips and tricks, using ChatGPT to create your digital products, creating an ebook, nailing your content strategy, good hooks. And hooks are what you'll be putting on your reels, your Instagram videos to hook in and reel in viewers and commenters and people that are interested in what you have to sell. A mini exercise using your story in your content, hashtag trending audios, general content creation tips, and then they also have strategies for effective faceless marketing, brand aesthetic, strong hooks, teaches you strategies such as using your story, trust building strategies, creating cohesive branding for faceless content versus random and not cohesive content, phone and camera settings and tips, faceless reel creation filming with Instagram. And then it also has a faceless marketing series, and it teaches you so much in regards to faceless marketing. And if you're on Instagram these days, I know you've seen a lot of people utilizing their faceless accounts and saying like, hey, I made this much money in this amount of days because I'm using faceless marketing. They are learning from courses just like this, using content banks, There are different websites out there that allow you to grab aesthetically pleasing pictures like this one to create your content and make it look good. This course also teaches you about faceless and face forward type content, which is pretty much using your face or not using your face. And it teaches you how to create trust and authority with your own unique style, strategies for organically growing a following, Instagram stories and selling in stories, DM conversation basics. And we haven't gotten to it yet. I'll go ahead and jump down. Okay, time management is great. Content batching and planning, sure. But one of the main takeaways that I love is the mini chat basics, because the mini chat bot essentially allows you to save a lot of time when you make your content and you post your video, and you can have somebody say, comment digital, and I'll send you this course. That is the thing that we're using these days to shorten our time on these apps and allow us to have an automated business. Email marketing with Flowdesk, Zapier, that's a bit more advanced. Legal and tax guide, and then it also links you to the Simply Passive community. So Simply Passive is jam-packed with so much information, and I cannot wait for you to get started.
To date, Chelsea has made over $200,000 with selling Simply Passive, and you can do the same. You can get started on your journey today. Since you've watched this far into the video, I want to offer you the opportunity to go ahead and get started on your journey with digital products. You can get started on the exact same course that has helped me and Chelsea learn more and get our digital product journey to success. When you get this course, you'll learn knowledge that can translate not only to digital products, but to other segments of your business as well. You'll learn strategies that help catapult your reels to success, how to set up your stand store, how to use things such as mini chat, automation bot to quickly and easily have a bot respond to your messages on Instagram. You'll also learn what is required in a proper digital product to actually help people and not just sell them fluff. And of course, you'll also get master resale rights. Master resale rights allows you to resell Simply Passive just as it is. So not only will you learn how to set up and automate your own business, you'll learn how to create your own digital products, and you'll also get to sell Simply Passive as your own product on your own store. You'll also learn about creating hooks to make your videos go viral on Instagram, and how to reel in people that are interested in your content and what you have to sell or what you have to say. This course is life-changing, and I hope that you check it out. You can find the link to this course in my description box or in the pinned comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, when the waves of life throw sand at you, make a pearl.